Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today to see what I am up to. And I have a new box, and this is from Brandefy, and I figured I would check them out. And Brandefy, let me give you a little bit of information before we get into this, is $15 each season, which is great. Not another like monthly box. This is a Beauty Favorites subscription box. You get four full-size products that you customize. Once you click, I think it is like join or subscribe, whatever the join now, whatever it said, it takes you to a drop-down screen where you get to choose. There's 2 products in each category. You pick what one you want from each category to make your 4-product box. So you're not surprised as to what's in it, but you get to pick out of the 2 products for each category that they give you, which is nice. At $15, I like that. All products are cruelty free. Each box is valued at approximately $50. So for $15 a season, that's definitely worth it. It only ships in the 48 U.S. states, United States, and it's limited to 1 box per customer. I guess if you have different email addresses or mailing address that you could maybe get to if you wanted all the products. So this is what the box looks like right here. I can't show you the bottom. That's where my label is. I just slit the tape. Some of these boxes are so hard to open. Oof. Okay. And this is what I see when I open the box. So I'm excited for this one. I've been seeing this a lot lately and thought, why not? Bright Beauty Faves. Hello, gorgeous. And then on the back with a price, which is phenomenal. I guess the stars are the 4 products that I'm receiving in this box with a description of the product and a price. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's just get right in. The first product that I see, I'm going to save that one for last, is Best of Beauty for Allure. And this is the konjac sponge right here. I have used these. I'll probably share this in a giveaway. I'm not a big fan of these. Let me find that on the card. It's by Julep. The all-natural charcoal konjac exfoliating sponge is worth $8. So I think fairly priced, and you can, that's moist. You can see it has a little suction cup right here, so you can suction cup it to your bathroom wall, shower wall, and it does, I don't know if you guys can't really see it. Maybe the back you can. There's a little string to hang it, so that's nice. The next product is Yes To, and this is avocado fragrance-free daily eye cream, $10 value. This is like drugstore type brand. If I could open it, which I cannot. Oh my goodness, that trash in the box. Why do they make this so hard to get in? Oh, let's get some scissors and make it a little easier. Yeah, there we go. I'll keep them out. I stay away from their face masks, but I have used like their face wipes. So this is what the product looks like. With hyaluronic acid to hydrate for dry skin. How perfect, because I do have dry skin. And it's a little pump. So I will try this. Why not? Avocado is supposed to be great for your skin. I mean, I don't eat avocado, but it's supposed to be real. And this is new. This is, it says new. You can see on the box. So this, you're not getting products that are 10 years old. It's a new product. Ooh, I forgot about this one. We have a product from Pixie Skincare. I love Pixie. This is On the Glow. Hydrate your face, lips, and body on the go when your skin is feeling dull. With this travel-friendly solid moisturizer. Wow. $18. Oh, that's interesting. This would be great to like throw in your gym bag when we can go to the gym, or if you go to the gym now, or just to keep with you in your handbag. How nice. Let's open this up. And it does have a little protective thing on the top, which no scent, but that's what it looks like. I'm just going to leave that all intact until I use it. Oh, that's handy to throw in your makeup bag. Oh, I like that. Okay, so far so good. Then the last item that we have is a palette. Who would have thought that we would have a palette? Let's see if I can get it taped. Untape this and get into it. Oh, Sorry for the tape sound, but I don't know where the opening is for this. Up here, so we can put that in. Okay. So the palette is from Milani, and I have received Milani. Sometimes you get an Ice Cream Beauty. No, not Ice Cream Beauty. Glow Addict. I knew I'd get that right eventually. So here from Milani, we have the Gilded Jewel eyeshadow palette worth $20. And, well, that's pretty. Has a mirror. Now the, is this taped down? How's this on here? Oh, took it off. It has like a fitted plastic shield. Let me cover up the, has a nice mirror. It's a cute palette for the spring, summer, with all different kinds of shades. Yellows and golds and green, blue, a pink, like a garnet, reddish, purplish color, browns, a blue, princess cut, which is your, could be an all over base. I mean, this is really pretty. Some nice, beautiful teals, your blue lines. I mean, you can, one more look at that. I'll probably share this in a giveaway. I have so many palettes. I was looking through palettes the other day, and I swear I have about 10 palettes that I have only touched one shade or two shades in the pan. So I'm going to try to pull and use those before I keep too many palettes for myself. So this I'll share in a giveaway. So we got that. We have the Pixie On The Glow Moisturizer. Nice. The Yes To Avocado Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid for dry skin. And then the Conject Sponge. I think it's definitely worth $15. I mean, we have, let's see, 20 for that. So it's 20, 30, 48, $56. And they promise at least $50. So I have a $56 value. I think this is a bargain. Nice. I'll get rid of this. I don't need to keep that. I have extras if sometimes I wrap them up to ship them that way. So I'll be happy to get this every season and see what it brings. And I wish I might see if I can use my neighbor's address, because I don't know if it's by address or if it's by email account to get both boxes to see, because then you can see the other products that I didn't get to pick from, which was another Milani eyeshadow palette. And I chose Gilded Jewel, but you could choose Gilded Coast. For the Yes To product, I chose the eye cream, but you could have gotten the cream cleanser. For Pixie, I chose the On The Glow moisturizer, where you could have gotten the Lip Lift Max Peony Bloom. And the last product, I did choose the sponge, even though I would not, or did I not? Yeah, I don't think I wanted the other two products, so I chose the sponge because I figured you guys could have the sponge, or I might use it, you never know. From Julep, I could have gotten the brush blush. I didn't need another brush. And then from Milani, I could have gotten the Supercharged Cheek and Lip Multi-Stick in Berry Bolt. I didn't want that either. I'm trying to back off some of the lip products. So I'll take a picture of the back of the card so you can see the items that they've starred that I get. And then you can see the other options that I didn't get, that I didn't choose, that maybe if this is still available, that if you are interested, you could either choose the same products I did or the opposite, or mix them up for yourself. But I definitely think this is great for $15. Bargain. Another bargain beauty box. So why not? You can try stuff out. And if we're going to get to choose from a palette each time, it's worth it right there. Palettes are at least $20. Like this one is $20. Pays for the box, so everything else is free. The other three products are free. The Pixie is $18, so that's pays for the box, and everything else is free. So however you want to work that out, but I think this is a great bargain, so give it a try. And for $15 a season, very affordable. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all having a great day, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.